I need to keep my kitchen in better shape. I keep on getting water splashed on the back wall, and I need a mat for this cutting board. If you're like me and you do a lot of cooking, sometimes we tend to make quite a bit of a mess. That's why we have to make sure we protect our home, protect our kitchen and equipment properly, because it's going to provide us with a lot of value in years to come. So let me introduce to you the URNCIAXUR large dish drying mat. It comes with 2-piece. So this is for the sink. So the material, both of these are made of food grade silicone, and all of these are hand wash and dishwasher safe. This is for the sink faucet. Okay, basically you wrap around there and it protects the stainless steel from corroding, and it is non-slip bottom. All right, it's got all these cutouts so you can put your kitchen equipment on there. Okay, so that's very simple right there. And the measurement of this is 5.6 inches by 14.9 inches. Okay, and it also features a raised edge to keep the water in. And here is the mat that I've been looking for. Okay, I do a lot of cutting, poultry, meat, fruits and vegetables on a daily basis. So I definitely need one of these silicone mats to put on the bottom of the cutting board. But of course, you can also put your dishes right here to dry. As you can see, it's got these rubber padding to prevent it from skidding, and you can hang it on this loop right here. On the bottom is also a non-slip surface. The dish drying mat itself measures 19.6 inches by 15.7 inches. So here's my kitchen sink. Please excuse the mess. I haven't been keeping it in the best of shape. So as you can see, my sink setup is not going to be able to fit that, but this is what I have to work with, all right? Because these are 2 soap dispensers, depending on the organizational design of your stainless steel sink. Most of the sink, I think, they don't have these holes. They're probably spaced out further, but you guys get the idea. You guys are not going to believe it, but I actually was able to make it fit. I simply measure the distance, cut out the holes manually. Let's go ahead and test it out. See, I have some water splashing. See? Now I don't have to worry about it getting to my wall as it drains through these 2 openings. How awesome is that? Put my engineering mind to work. Okay, so if you scroll to the right with me, there's my cutting board. It's not good to have nothing beneath, because it's the water. As you can see, I have some damage on my tile already, my granite tile. So I'm gonna put this silicone padding down here. Okay, I do a lot of cutting right next to the sink. That's gonna protect my tile and also my floor. Now I have the cutting board on top. You see, because of these raised edges, whatever water or liquid or juice is going to be collected right here, and you simply can wash it by hand or in the dishwasher. Truly, it's a great way to protect your kitchen. And also the non-skid design for added safety when cutting or cleaning. And if you don't use a cutting board right here, it's all right too. You can put your dishes right here after you finish washing. You can dry it just like that. Or it can double as a pet feeding area, protect your floors. There's a lot of uses for these. Now I can finally keep my kitchen and sink area tidy and clean, preventing it from getting water damage. Finally, it's possible with the large dish drying and faucet mat from URNCIAXUR, making life better.